Hello friends, Professor Piyush here. I welcome you all. You are watching the video of SketchUp's full course series. This video will act as a guide for moving things around in your 3D model from a simple click and move operation to moving precisely with 3D coordinates. To see the previous part or to start learning from the beginning, follow the playlist link shown in your top right corner. So let's start. When you're drawing a model in SketchUp, moving a model or parts of it, all that things happens in 3 dimensions. Move tool, the name itself doesn't reveal all it can do. It can be used for stretching geometry, copying what you have already drawn, flipping and rotating, and so many other tricks. To see all that, follow other parts of the series. To use the move tool, follow these basic steps. With the select tool, select the item or multiple items which you want to move. Select the move tool or press the M key. Select the item you want to move and your move point. Moving becomes easier if you select a corner as your move point. If you are moving an item and want to align it with something else in your model, make your move point the corner you want to be lined up with the other item. For example, on the screen we have selected the upper right corner of the cabinet as our move point, which allows us to easily move the cabinet and align it with the other cabinets. Now move your mouse to move your selection. As you move your selection, the inference points and the values in the measurements box changes. Now let's see how this looks when we move our cabinet. An inference line appears between the start and ending points of the moving object. The distance of the movement is displayed dynamically in the measurements box below. As you move your item close to other items in your model, you see inferences to nearby geometry. To lock an inference to an axis as you move, hold down the Shift key. You will see the moving line turns the color of your desired axis. You can also move your item to a precise distance by typing either distance or coordinates during or immediately after the move. For distance, the number you type can be positive or negative, such as 10 feet or minus 30 mm. Another thing to note, if you specify a unit of measurement, that unit overrides your template's default units. For example, you can type 3 feet 6 inch even if you are using the metric system as your default. For coordinates, the measurement box accepts global or relative coordinates. To enter global coordinates, use square brackets as shown on your screen. To designate coordinates from the model origin. To set relative coordinates, use angle brackets, same as shown on your screen. It should be from the starting point of the move operation. When we select or hover over a component or group, you will notice inference icons at the corners of the component and the group's bounding box. This will help you to move the component or group in a better way. On your screen, you will see a gray dot at every corner of the box. These are grips that you can grab to move the object. When you hover over a corner in an object that can't be seen, SketchUp temporarily makes the object transparent, allowing you to use that corner as a grip. When a component or a group is selected and you are not hovering over a corner grip, you can cycle through visible grips by pressing the Alt key in Windows. This allows you to switch between the corners of a group midpoints of a group, side centers of a group, or the center of a group. This is only one angle of the move tool which you saw in this video. There are other wonders you can do with the move tool, like stretching the geometry, copying and pasting geometry in an array or in a random fashion, and many more. Watch for the parts to keep on learning about them. Keep watching and practicing. Thanks.